Hi, I'm going to show you how to run RStudio on Dardel, where RStudio is a programming environment. It looks like this. You can program R in it. And Dardel is an HPC cluster maintained by PDC. So the steps are here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. Well, the last step is being done, so we can skip that one. And I'm just gonna walk you through it. So first I'm going to zoom in the text a bit so it's bigger, and now we just go scroll to the first step. Also, I'm going to do this side by side. So I'm going to move the documentation to the left. There we go. And first I need to start a Dardel remote desktop environment. So I'm going to do that. It's documented here at this link. And this is what I have. You need to use ThinLink for it, and then click on connect, and then I'm connected to Dardel's remote desktop environment using a local ThinLink client. Great. So here we are on Dardel. It's still starting up a bit. Let's take a look what the next step is. Click on RStudio to the left. Click at the application in the top left corner, then click zip menu PDC, then menu item RStudio. Okay. Applications. Now go to the sub PDC data analysis. Sure. And now this is it. Good. So that's done. Step 3. Select a project and start a job. Yeah, so the project is, this is a count that will be charged for running core hours. So I'm going to use this one. I think this one works. And click start. So click on start. Let's see if it works. If you don't have the correct account, if it's closed down, for example, then it will give you an error. This is starting up. The next step may not always happen. When RStudio starts, it will ask you to ignore an update. It will propose to update stuff. You ignore that. You don't have the rights to do that. There, I don't have this. Instead, I'm in the last step. I'm done. This is RStudio. Yeah, sure. This is how RStudio looks like. I'm going to close this off. I'm going to stop this. Here, I couldn't close it. And I'm going to close the remote desktop environment. There, and instead I'm going to round off, and I'm now going to round off this video. I've showed you how to use RStudio on Dardel. And that means I now wish you a very good day. Bye.